It's sketchbook time. Okay, today we're gonna do something near and dear to my heart, and it's lesson 45. And it's how to tell yourself that you're worthy. This actually has nothing to do with drawing techniques, but it has to do with your thoughts. So when the bad thoughts come, I'm talking thoughts of failure, thoughts that you can't, thoughts that you suck, and thoughts that you can't do it. Like, it doesn't have to be drawing. I'm just talking generally. When these come, you have to tell them to stop. You have to tell your brain to stop. You can do that. And then when you tell it to stop, you have to ask yourself, because just because you're thinking a thought doesn't mean it's true. You have to ask yourself, is what I'm thinking true? I mean, you ask for facts and truth in everything in life. Why aren't you asking your brain for facts and truth when it tries to trick you with negative thoughts? So try to think of some evidence, like what is true, like what is true about the situation? Like what is making you feel bad? What do you know to be true? So one of the things I ask myself is, am I trying my best? Like, if I feel like I'm awful, but am I trying my best? I ask myself that. And sometimes the answer is no, but really think on it. And if the answer is yes, then at least you know that, okay? And then if you still don't know what's true, ask yourself if you can look at it another way. Is there another perspective? Like, maybe you don't suck. Like, maybe there's another way to look at it. And if you need help more, ask yourself, is there someone else you can ask? Like, do you have a friend you can trust and say, hey, I think that I'm doing badly at this. What's your opinion? This helps so much. And if you don't have a friend or you feel nervous about asking another person, if you believe in God, then you should pray to God. I do that. I mean, I understand that not everybody has a circle of someone they can trust and ask, but if you do, take the risk and ask them. And if you don't, then, meditate on it. I mean, that's why people meditate, to bring clarity to their lives. Another thing to ask yourself is, do you just need a break? Are you just tired and the negative thoughts are coming from fatigue? Because this happens to me a lot. And if you don't need a break, like if you look inside yourself and you don't need a break, then I just keep going anyway with the negative thoughts. Because sometimes to have physical results from keeping on going on something puts the negative thoughts at bay. So they're only thoughts. They are only thoughts. Anyway, I hope this helps you. This helps me.